Migrating from Azure Data Factory or Synapse Analytics to Microsoft Fabric requires complete visibility into your existing environment. Kanerika's automated pre-migration discovery utility delivers that clarity upfront. Here's how it works. The utility connects directly to your Azure environment using secure service principal credentials and automatically scans your entire data infrastructure. It intelligently identifies and catalogs all pipelines across both Azure Data Factory and Synapse Analytics workspaces. Within minutes, the utility extracts comprehensive metadata and generates detailed Excel reports, one for each environment. These reports provide a complete inventory of your data pipelines, transformations, and dependencies. Kanerika then transforms this metadata into a strategic pre-migration assessment. You get clear visibility into migration complexity, realistic effort estimations, and accurate timelines. This means no hidden surprises, predictable budgets, and confident planning. Before you commit resources, you'll know exactly what needs to migrate, where potential challenges exist, and how to optimize your migration path to Fabric. This eliminates guesswork and transforms migration from a leap of faith into a calculated strategic move. Ready to migrate with confidence? Use Kanerika's pre-migration discovery utility today.